We are not your brothers.
Woo!
Go-to examples when I'm talking about this issue of stillness and power. And also, the amount of homework that guy did, the rise and fall, the music of that scene, how he started so quiet and he built it up, and then that beautiful edit on the clap and then bring it back down. Because the quieter he is, the more you have to lean forward. It's not like, he's doing nothing. The tiniest little eyebrow, raise. And I don't think he blinks for the first 45 seconds at all.
You're just so drawn in.
Yeah. And yet he's broadcasting his feelings, but in an entirely different, quiet, still way. No doubt what he's feeling.
Yeah, right.